Welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me, Realme 11 Pro Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this smartphone. First, let's open the Play Store, and let's find the third theme in my top is Niagara Launcher. So, Niagara Launcher, click Install. And click Open. Agree and continue. Choose your favorite apps here, and cool. So here on the home screen we have the favorite applications, and on the right part of our screen we have the alphabetical line. Using this line we can easily find any applications we need. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Find it, click Install. And click Open. Get started, I agree, confirm, continue. While using the app, hello, confirm, continue if you wanna pay for it, because here we have the Prime, but if you don't want to pay, so click on the cross on the right or left top corner of your screen. So cool. Here as you can see we have a really beautiful interface, we have really cool wallpapers, and here we have the best wallpaper gallery you have ever seen in your life. So you can choose any of this wallpaper, and of course wallpapers are updated every day, so every day you have new beautiful wallpaper set. So you can use these wallpapers and change it too much time. Cool. On the left panel we have news. Here we have main menu with really great apps grouping features. So here you have several default groups like contacts, internet, games, media, utilities and settings. But if you want to create new groups, so you need to pay for it, unfortunately. But if you don't want to pay, you can use these groups. These groups are great. So default groups, and you can use it and use your smartphone with default groups too. And on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. So just find it. Open this application. Just get started while using hello, continue, skip, okay. And cool. Here on the left panel we have the Glance panel. In Glance we can set up all our favorite widgets, and if you will set up all your widgets here in this panel, you will don't need to switch between 1,000 of home screens to find desired widget. And of course here we have great main menu with alphabetical line. Alphabetical line, it's really great feature, I like it, because using alphabetical line we can easily find any applications like in Niagara Launcher. And here we have voice search, hidden apps feature, so we can hide apps from the main menu. And in the launcher settings we have really great feature. We have gestures. Using gestures you can boost your smartphone productivity. For example, using 2-finger swipe up you can make something, you can open Assistant, create backup, open accounts, you can create a shortcut to action. Or you're gonna open something. For example, I wanna open Amazon by swiping with 2 fingers up, and great, Amazon was successfully opened. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.